Hello everyone, it's Monica and I'm coming very quickly to show you another set of cards projects I've done for Crafters Companion. I'm a design team member, so just to make sure that you know that I do actually get those products and I need to make some samples for them. So this time I received those edgeable dies. The first one is Rose Garden. And for this one I created a gatefold card. Of course, I cut out on both sides, inked it with a crushed velvet ink and a grasshopper, I think. And this paper is from a garden party paper collection, very old paper pad, which I really love. And inside we've got a sentiment as well from, I think that was vintage lace collection. So this one is for the Rose Garden gatefold card. Then we've got this daisies, Ditsy daisies, another edgeable die, as you can see, and the measurements here on the side. And I've done this 10th fold card with acetate section here in the middle, and I think I used a beautiful collection with bees from, I think, from last year. And of course I cut the edge here and I cut another strip and I adhered everything to the acetate, and of course added bow, some elements and a purse as well. So this one is another nice looking card, but my favorite is this one, the green, white and black. And this set is called it's a one single die called butterflies. And again you can see the size of the die, and this card is my favorite. I just love how it looks. So first of all I cut the butterflies and I cut another strip of black paper, black card, as you can see, and cut another time, and then added some white card. And this paper is the same as from as on this card. It's the beautiful collection with bees and other things from, I think, from last year, and the green one as well. And this one, the stamp is from, again, from Vintage Lace collection, Heartfelt Sentiments, my favorite stamp set. I think all three of them are from that stamp set, which is really, I use that stamp set a lot. So tell me again, which one is your favorite? We've got Rose Garden, Ditsy Daisies and Butterflies. Mine is, of course, Butterfly. Thank you so much for watching, and check out my other videos, because I'm going to show another one, I think. I don't know which way, because it depends on how they're going to release that collections. This way I'm going to publish videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like it, and please do subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye.